just left the Salvation Army, and I walked on down there to find my dog Olive a Halloween costume. I did end up getting her parts of it, but I did not get the whole costume, so little by little I can piece it together with my sewing machine. I'm very happy about that. Okay, so does this look like a bat? Or spider? Bat? Spider? I don't know, but today we're gonna try on some things. This is a harness for 50 cents. And we're gonna try this on. This is the base, so this is what I'm gonna sew the costume to. So I just wanna make sure it's gonna fit her. And she's gonna try to walk off. Be very careful to take your dog's needs into consideration. You know, everybody loves a good puppy video where you just force them into the costume and then they walk around and they're very uncomfortable and they don't like it. I'm trying to take her needs into consideration. She's got some skin issues, so I know she can wear a harness. And then this I discovered at the groomer, and this is a dickie. It is very soft, and I watched the groomer do this to her when it was time to blow dry. And she left it like this to protect her ears from the blow dryer. But when I saw that she was able to do that, I took this into consideration because I can sew this or attach it, safety pin it to whatever, to the harness for the base of the costume. She's shaking a little bit. Not sure why. But we're gonna see if I can, so I've got the base. We're gonna see if I can find the rest of her costume. This might not be it. I haven't seen her shake like this, so I might have to switch it up with something easier. She's shaking. I wonder if she thinks this is grooming, because she doesn't like the word B-A-T-H. She's shaking. We might not get anywhere with Halloween. All right, so I've got some sewing to do. It may be, I've never seen her shake like that. So, might be something simple. Might be different. Might be switching it up. She definitely let me know if she didn't like that. Olive. Olive Joe. She knows her name. Okay, so that's my new to me. He's not new. He came from my mother-in-law. I saw a gal on YouTube who had the same one but in black, and it was on a bookshelf, and I had him up on the dining room chandelier like a Dementor from Harry Potter, but I like him better like this because he stands in the whole space and it looks like somebody's standing there. So I'm going to today I'm going to try a costume on with Olive. Yeah, she wasn't a big fan of the last one. So we're gonna try something else. And I bought it for $2.50. So we could be matching. This is mine. So, and this is hers. So we're gonna see if she's gonna let me put this on her. We will see. She's right here, and I'd like to do it without any treats. So we'll give it a shot. Hey, Olive, come here. Come here, boo. Come here. Here she comes. Come here. Oh, hey, how about, do you want to go trick-or-treating? You want to go trick-or-treating? Head turn, that's pretty good. All right, let's try on your costume. Let's try on your costume. And there's not a lot going on with this, like you just slip in her legs. It's mostly just to see if it fits her. Ooh, you look good. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Yes, you like it? You like this one? This one gonna work? I think we did it. This one gonna work, huh? Do you like trick-or-treating? Okay. So we'll be matching. You'll have your wings and I'll have my mask, and we'll be good to go. And she's out. Okay. Now, when you get to the door, just say, trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Thank you. Okay, let's go to the next house. Come on. Let's go. Let's go to the next house. Come on. Let's go trick-or-treating. Let's go. Let's go trick-or-treating. All right, let's go to the next house. Gotta go this way. Gotta go this way. So we go trick-or-treating. Yay! Say trick-or-treat. Trick-or-treat. Oh, goodness gracious. That was some type of trick-or-treats there, wasn't it? All right, let's go to the next house. All right, let's go. Come on. So I hope you'll join me and Olive in this Halloween pet collab. Grab the kids and the dog and let's get the pet's perspective on the Halloween fun. Thank you for watching and come back to see what I'm doing next time. Happy Halloween!